Hello everyone, today I would like to show you a new platform, Autodesk Forma. It's new for me, it's new for everyone because it is something uh, do for future. It's like new Revit but online. And of course, it's only first version, I think, and it's now it looks like SketchUp maybe, but I'm sure in future it will be better. But anyway, today we try to do something nice using Autodesk Forma very quickly. So we can button using this button and create new project. So we can choose location. I use this location. We need some free place for new buildings like this, and need to choose more area. This, oh, this nice more area, and now we can add this area for our project. Need to wait a little bit. The program create project new and add piece of web maps. So now it looks like this. The program uh, show some opportunities and we can add more information. For example, road from OpenStreetMap. Okay, we can add this information and yeah. And now we have piece of map like on just image and levels, and we can choose some options. It looks like InfoWorks, but yeah, but more like SketchUp. Okay, so what we have roles. We can do preview roles. Okay, add. Now we have roles. So it's a place for new buildings. And we have tools like this to create something very quickly. And of course, I would like to show you how works this. We can create area first, and after this, the program create some various buildings. After press enter very quickly, press enter. Now we have options how we can build this area. So we can choose this, or maybe another. Anyway, yeah, I like something like this. Yeah, okay, enter. Now we have elemental trees, elemental green zone, and so we have buildings with side area, and of course we can change everything like floor 4, okay, 3, not problem, 5, not problem, okay, 4. So after that we can prepare the main view for visualization, for example, like this. Yeah, I think this. And we can add another tools. So now we try to use this green. So Okay, okay, render like this. Now the program prepare for us some very quickly render with these buildings. We'll see how it looks after finish. It's very good, but it's something we can get ready. Okay, choose other options like this. It's not good too. Okay, let's try to change something. We can add another buildings, for example. This buildings. I need to read. Okay, it's ready. Okay, add buildings. And now we can prepare something like this view. Yeah. Maybe this will be better. Yeah, it looks better. It's like very quickly draft. So I'm not sure that is very useful, but very cool that program created automatically, and try to prepare some design. And of course, we can choose everything like this description, and the picture will be changed. Okay. So, and another option, it is some automatically tools like parking area. Let's try to work with this. Okay. So, come on, let's go to prepare some park area for I think maybe we can create another proposal without these buildings and create parking area first. Oh, this looks better than buildings. I like more how works park area. It looks very good. So, thank you for watching, and of course, let me know if you used Forma, some another options, and let me know about your experience with Forma. Now I can mm, show you how it looks with my project. Yeah, it's only first draft for first sketch, and I like how walk park area, and I'm not sure that render works very good for now, but for simple design like white box, it looks better. You know, it's only a couple minutes, and we have some proposal with buildings and with parking, and we can create some benefits from this land, from using this land very quickly. And I think the main idea why you need Forma is um, for this, like how much cost this land if we create new buildings or we create some park area or something else, maybe like another buildings what we create manually, like this. And of course we can transfer all this data to Revit and add some data from Revit. So thank you for watching.